So you just wanna, man, he wants to talk. Go ahead. You know everything. Talk.
I'm telling you, know everything.
Talk.
You do, man.
Talk.
Too much, man. I ain't know those like
Talk. He likes to talk. You want the show? You want the floor? Go ahead. What in the world?
Alright, quick question.
Yeah.
What was
I
it
got
about
quick
that
answer.
1,000 true fans?
She should be like, alright, remember that. Remember that.
Let me pull it up. All right, so the whole idea behind 1,000 true fans. So a true fan is somebody who's going to support you no matter what. So not kind of support you, not come to one of your events, like come to all of them. So 1,000 true fans, that's the number that you should be able, that's the number that you should be striving for, instead of having 10,000 followers and all of this stuff. All you really need to do is get 1,000, okay? So the thing is that you want to get $100 out of the year out of each person. I don't care how you do it. I don't care if it's $8 a month. I don't care if it's $50 twice out of the year. So that's $100,000 a year. So you just want to, and he wants to talk. Go ahead. You know everything. Talk.
I'm telling you, know everything.
Talk.
You do, man.
Talk.
Too much, man. I ain't know those like
Talk. He likes to talk. You want the show? You want the floor? Go ahead. I know she asked me a question, so I was getting to it. So we understand what I was talking about. What's 1,000 true fans, smart addict? Since you up there, what's 1,000 true fans? Go ahead.
Oh, now you don't want no attention. Anyway. Now you don't want no attention.
I'm about to say.
Okay, go ahead. 1,000 true fans. What's the idea behind it?
The people who was there with you the whole round. Like,
What about them?
The people who've been there with you since you was like at 100 followers.
Is that what I was saying? Who know?
You said a fan that supports you no matter what.
Huh?
You said a fan that supports you no matter what. They go to all your shows, all that stuff.
It's considered what?
A true fan.
Okay.
You want 1,000.
Right. And how much do you want?
$100 each. You have $100 each.
$100 each every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wrote that down in my book.
Okay, so I don't care how you get the $100. I don't care how you break it up. If you got a site that's got a subscription-based site, and they're coming in almost like a Netflix and paying you $8 to consult with them. So this is the whole thing about it. It's like you want to give people some value. So giving people some value is, I don't know, being a consultant and training them on something, helping them out on something, teaching them on something, whatever that is. Either teaching them on how to do some marketing, teaching them how to do some cooking, do their hair, whatever it is, what your talents are. Okay, so that's how you get the money from them. So they either come into some events, they either paying you for some merch. So you got some merch going, you got some t-shirts going, they're gonna buy all your shirts. Okay? So you sell them some shirts for $20, they're buying a couple of those. Okay, so the thing is, one of the things I talked about is diversify. Diversify means that you want to do multiple things. So you got multiple streams of revenue. It's not just one thing. A broke person only got one stream of revenue. You just go to a job. A successful person has like 7 streams of revenue. So you have shirts for sale, and they moving. Number 2, you got the YouTube video, that's monetized. You're getting some subscriptions and all of that stuff, so you get some money from that, okay? You may be doing some affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is that you're doing hair, you recommend these products, I'm using this, I'm using that, or whatever that is. When they buy that, you get some money from off of that too, okay? You may be going in, you may be talking to some other teams, okay? You're the most important person who could do that and get yourself in that position to talk to other teams. Like, look, I've been there where y'all is at. I was confused. I didn't know nothing about what I know. Now I know this. This is how I'm gonna do this. Okay? So whatever it is that you super duper interested in, I don't care if that is some type of fashion, some hoodies, shoes, working somewhere, working for somebody, being that point of being that person, being an influencer. Okay? So that's basically what it is. Even if it's doing the video game. If he's video gaming, he should be capturing that video game, him playing that video game, him talking about the video game, him reviewing that video game, him reviewing any type of tech. He should be the tech person. I don't care if you don't got the tech. You can still pull up pictures and still talk about the tech. Okay? Let's just talk about if you was reviewing some kicks or whatever. All right? You ain't gotta have the kicks, just have a review of the kicks. These kicks is coming out. You could be the dude just talking about the kicks. This is, you know, so that's the thing, like, you gotta have some products. So even that online presence, even that, you know, talking in front of the camera about giving some value, that's like products. So you have to figure out, like, I need some products and what those products is gonna be. Okay? Because for the most part, at this point, everybody, including me, I get paid by the hour. So I don't get paid if I don't put that hour in. So I gotta be at that location for a certain hour to get paid. So until you get some products, then you don't have to be there. Now you got some flexibility. Now you can move around. Now you can be in Miami doing something. Maybe some shoe experts down there you want to meet, or maybe something that you want to check out in Miami. You got all these other products, so now you can go down to Miami and take care of that business and record that and document that too. All right. So the thing is, I told y'all, like, you want to be a practitioner in that field, in that business, like an expert. Like, I'm an expert in this area and I'm getting you. So whoever is your competition, you really need to know them. You really need to meet them, especially locally. If it's any team out here that's crushing, you should know them. You should know what's the science behind them. Do he got any marketing? He got any people that's involved? He got any investors? He got any, like, any type of thing. Like, I was on the radio in here like last week. I know Ray. You know what I'm saying? You could be able to call, look, Ray, I'm a teen. I was over here before, but I want to get on the radio station and say something. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, now we got the podcast going. All we really do is got a mic. You see those mics? Those mics is only $100. You can have a podcast show going too. So you can do a podcast, you can do a vlog, and you can do some writing too.